So 2026 is honestly off to a better start than even I was expecting. It felt like the market kind of just turned on a dime. Like from October to December 31st, everyone just hated crypto and crypto wasn't doing well. And then on January 1st, everything just kind of everything kind of just like flipped. We got Bitcoin back above 91,000. ETH is climbing its way up. Solana and XRP are inching their way up. We have microcaps doing well. We got meme coins doing well. Things like Pepe up 30, 40% just in the last 7 days. I mean, the market looks good. And not only does it look good, it feels good too. You go on X or you go on YouTube, you see so many people excited and feeling rejuvenated and just like looking forward to the year in crypto and hopeful that we may see some sort of gains and rewards here for all the craziness we went through last year. And it just feels better. And as a result of this, we're also noticing people coming back, right? Like yesterday, I made a post on X talking about the fact that, YouTube search volume was up. People were looking up crypto news, crypto updates, Bitcoin news, Bitcoin price analysis, people who weren't even searching for crypto before. Like there are people coming back to crypto because I think everyone can kind of feel the energy shifting a little bit, feel things changing a bit here in the world of crypto. And it's leading to a lot of optimism. And I like to see it, this is something that I do like to see because the truth is that, guys, my whole life kind of revolves around crypto in some capacity. I make content in crypto. I have two businesses that run solely in crypto. So when crypto sucks like it did last year, it kind of just sucks all the way around. It doesn't feel super great as a business owner, as a content creator, as an investor. It doesn't feel good. So when we have these moments, I like to cherish them and enjoy them because it feels good. You know what I mean? Just point period. Like it just feels good. But the truth is that although it does feel fantastic and I am enjoying it and I am cherishing it, one thing that I will say is that I can't help but feel a little bit concerned. Like in the back of my mind, in my gut, I can't help but feel a little bit concerned that this market's going too far too fast. In the sense that just 2 weeks ago, we saw some of the most blatant price manipulation that I had ever seen before. Just a few months ago, we saw the biggest liquidation event in history. Just weeks ago, we saw probably the worst sentiment that I've ever seen in crypto, with people genuinely hating crypto. There's a difference between not liking it and hating it. And for a while there, people hated crypto. And again, just on the drop of a dime, it seems like all of that was just forgotten. Like all of the people who were super sick of crypto and super tired of it and said it was a scam because gold was pumping and silver was pumping, they're kind of just back now. And you're starting to see those posts on X where they're like, where are the bears at now? The bulls are back in charge. You know what I mean? Like people getting super excited and super happy. And I just can't help but feel like maybe the market's moving a little bit too fast. And maybe we're getting a little bit too ahead of ourselves here. Because the truth is that although this pump has felt great, realistically, Bitcoin it's not made a move any better than any of the moves that it made recently that turned out to be traps, right? Like that run from 100,000 to 107,000, or that run from 80,000 to 94,000. Those were all structurally bigger moves than the one that we made since January 1st. And all of those moves from Q4 last year all ended up in crashes and dumps. And they were bigger pumps than we've seen now. And so to me, it's kind of like, I think a lot of people genuinely believe that a new year means that things change. But the truth is that we are still in the same exact crypto market that we were in Q4. It's not really any different. And so although I am happy to see crypto pumping and I'm happy to see it up and I'm happy to see views going up and, revenue and client acquisition and all of these things for my companies going up, I can't help but feel a little bit like, hey, are we moving too fast? Like, should we maybe tone it back a little bit? Should we maybe let Bitcoin break 94, 95,000? Should we not let us make more progress before screaming from the rooftops that we're back? Because when I think about this market from the perspective of a market manipulator, this is a best case scenario for manipulation. They allow the market to climb a bit. Bitcoin goes up to 91. Not a very big move. 85 to 91 is not a very big move. We make a not very big move, but it's enough to convince people that we're back. People start opening up massive leverage trades like they have now. If you look at the CoinGlass liquidation map, I think there's like something like $6 billion worth of liquidations below us. But they open up all these huge leverage trades. Everyone gets super excited. We're back. We're back. They're buying altcoins. They're on YouTube. Retail is coming back. Everyone's clowning on all the bears, saying that the bull market's back, that the anomaly is here, the banana zone is here. Based on a small move that Bitcoin has made that caused altcoins to pump. And then boom, you get them. Because it's the best opportunity to. We've been getting the most corrupt, manipulative moves that you could possibly imagine all the last 3 months. What makes you think that they're just going to say hello? What makes you think that they're just going to magically disappear? That they're just going to magically stop manipulating this market? I don't know why they would just stop if they've been doing it. In what better environment to manipulate the market than the one we're in right now, where everyone's super optimistic over a couple $1,000s in price movement from Bitcoin? Now, does this mean that I'm betting that the market's going to crash? No. And I would agree. Things do look good and things do feel good. Like what we're seeing right now actually feels a lot more organic. This doesn't feel like one of those weird, sus, manipulative moves that no one believes. There's no volume backing it. No, there is volume backing the move we're making right now. Altcoins are moving because liquidity is entering back into crypto. Retail is coming back. What we're seeing right now is organic, is what I mean to say. And an organic move absolutely can continue upwards. This could push us to 96, then to 100, then to 107K. Now, do I think Bitcoin's going to an all-time high? I don't know. But can we get another $10,000, $15,000 in price movement from Bitcoin, meaning another 50 to 80% gains for alts? Yes. Yeah, I absolutely think so. But I can't help but be concerned that although that is a possibility, on the flip side, it could easily get ugly very, very fast, and no one seems to be expecting it. And so it's kind of put me at a bit of a stalemate where it's like, I feel optimistic, but I also feel concerned. And generally, when I feel like this, when I have these moments where I don't know what the market's going to do, I don't know which one of those outcomes is going to come to fruition, I usually just sit back and I don't make any big moves. And I think that's kind of the best scenario right here, is that I don't think it's a great time to be opening up big long trades. I don't think it's a great time to be opening up big short trades. Because now that retail is coming back, what you can bet is that volatility is coming back next week. And those big, wicks that are going to liquidate people are going to come back next week. And so opening up long trades or short trades on both sides of the coin, you're going to get smashed, I think. And so I guess the best thing to do in an environment like this is let it ride. I did my dollar cost averaging on Bitcoin at 80,000. I did my dollar cost averaging on XRP, Solana, and Ethereum in late October, early November, early December. I did all the buying that I could have done. I injected the capital that I was available over the last few months at lower prices. All those purchases are up 10, 20, 30%. So there's no point in dollar cost averaging a ton right now. There's also not much of a point of taking a lot of profit because the gains aren't enough there. So I guess the best thing to do right now is just let it ride and kind of just see what happens. And if we do capitulate, if we do crash, we do go back down to the 80s, see how the structure holds. And if the structure holds, could be a good time to dollar cost average. Or if we start breaking up hard, 100,000, 107,000, I am going to be taking a lot of profit off the table because we got fragile legs under us right now. So I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see how it plays out. I know some of you are going to say, Tyler, you're being a bear. I'm not being a bear by saying that I'm concerned that we're moving too far ahead of ourselves, and that we should let the market gain some traction and some momentum first and actually break through some of these obstacles before just screaming that the bull market's back. Because I'm seeing the P&L, the profit, I'm seeing the profit screenshots getting posted on X, and every time I see them, things get weird. So I'll keep you updated, but I just wanted to express my concern. And if you're one of those people who just like die hard bullish right now, maybe just peel back a little and recognize like, hey, this is the same crypto market we were in Q4. Don't go too far. Don't open up massive leveraged long trades and stuff. Like, maybe that's not a great idea. So I guess we'll see. I hope the market goes up. I'm feeling super optimistic that we can see $100,000 plus again for Bitcoin. I do feel good about that. I think that's reasonable. But still, we need to be a little bit like rational here. Okay, so I'll keep you updated as it plays out. Before you guys go, I do want to remind you, I have a couple things that you can check out down below. First and foremost, if you are just holding crypto, I have a retirement account with the iTrust Capital. You can hold your crypto in it. If you do sign up, create a retirement account today, they're going to give you a $100 funding bonus, which is just absolutely fantastic. You can start compounding gains without having to pay crypto taxes legally. It's great. There's also BTCC. I'll leave that link down below as well. If you want to sign up, deposit, and start trading on their platform today, which is where I trade, you can get a ton of bonuses, up to like $10,000 in bonuses right now. So feel free to check those things out. I also have my X and my YouTube links all down in the description below and in my bio, my link tree. So feel free to go check those things out. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody.